So again, next experiment, same active power, but delta load we are going to take it. So first we are going to discuss about way of connection. So you remember here voltmeter is connected to R phase, and again voltmeter is connected to ammeter. Then ammeter second terminal is connected to wattmeter 1, here MC shorted, and as well as here L is directly connected to R, it's mean for a load R, and here also same previously V is connected to Y is connected to wattmeter 2, and again here MC shorted, and here second wattmeter M is directly connected to B phase, and as well as here we skipped that inductive element. Here also one inductor is there, and here also one inductor is there, here also one inductor is there, but for reactive load we are going to take only resistive load. Because of that resistive load only we are going to connect it here. Okay, so skip it. So based on that we are going to run it the same in no load condition. Voltage we are going to get it 400 volts, and remaining current and wattmeters are completely zero. Then when already I have explained everything according to circuit how we are going to connect the entire active power with delta load. So this is the actual connection. We connected active power with delta load. Okay, then we are going to run the experiment. Then how we can going to get the values. Okay, so first I am going to turn on the MCB, and then by using variac here I am going to take 400 volts. So here I have taken 400 volts. In 3 phase we are going to take 420, 440 also okay, but safety purpose I have taken 400 volts maybe. So if any case 440, 420 is exceeded the range of this panel, in the sense panel will be going to damage. Because of that, for safety purpose only I have taken 400 volts. So in no load condition there is no any current, and there is no power also, and there is no any second wattmeter power also. Then I am going to turn on the load, delta load, turn on the delta load. Then you can observe here previously in no load condition for 400 volts 0 amperes, but here for 400 volts we got current 2.74. so that 2.74 I am going to note it down here for 400 volts 2.78 amperes. Then wattmeter reading you have to observe exactly 900 watts in first wattmeter. Wattmeter 1 we got 900 watts. So that 900 watts I am going to note it down here. Watts. Then second wattmeter you have to observe it 860, I think 860 or 70 exactly, wattmeter 2. Okay, so I am going to take here 8. So this is a calculation part of active power for delta load. Okay, already we have taken 400 volts 2.78 amperes, 900 watts in first wattmeter, and 860 watts in second wattmeter. Total power is 1760 watts. So for this we calculated it's based on the pi equal to tan inverse root 3 W1 minus W2 W1 plus W2. So that formula we have substituted all the values. W1 is a 900 watts and W2 is a 860 watts. So substituted, then we can get it finally. Pi value is 2.250. So that one is a pi, and power factor cos pi is equal to cos into these 2.25 we can substitute here, then we can get it 0.999. So this is approximately unity power factor, unity. So in the active power star load also we got same unity power factor. In active power delta load also we got same unity power factor. It's mean both in star connection and delta connection we can get it for active power only unity power factor only, because in active power we are taking a resistive load. Because of that resistive load always both voltage and currents are in phase only. So both voltage and currents are in phase, in the sense we can get it always unity power factor. That's why in active power both star and delta load we can get it unity power factor only, but the change in only active power. So in 3-phase active power star load we got 1700 something, but here in delta connection for same 400 volts current increases 2.78, but in active power star load we got only 1.60 amps only. That's why only here total active power will be increased. Because of current only, here total power will be increased compared to active power star load. Okay, you remember this one. So whenever you remember in active power both star and delta we can get it unity power factor only, otherwise whatever the experiment we done, that experiment is absolutely wrong. Okay, we cannot get unity power factor, in the sense we done the experiment is wrong.